Show me my passport. Show me my passport. Oh no, you've changed it. Where's the sticker? Where's the sticker? Show me the sticker. Is that right? Don't know what this is. What is this?
Just a sec.
Oh, that's quite cheeky.
Penalty on dois.
I've got no idea what this is.
Some sort of
Young and fresh. You can't say that now. Senior Lord Head, you can't say that. Was that mine? That was mine.
If you do, you might go to jail as well.
They might go to jail for misgendering people for a start. Misgendering the wine.
But I'm not politically correct.
No, neither are we.
I can tell.
Yeah, neither are we.
You never would have guessed.
Yeah.
You know this is made with green grapes and it's local to the area.
Yeah, he said, somebody said.
Yeah,
What did you say?
I just knew by the taste.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, yeah, because you're a connoisseur.
I am. I've been taught by the Wookiee.
Yeah. Oh,
See, that's what I
yeah.
understand.
Oh, see, now you've made me feel a bit sad because he's not
I
here.
love this.
He would have loved this. He would have been all over this. Yeah, spill a bit for Wookiee. There you go, Wookiee, there's yours. Are we going?
Who are we following?
I got no idea what's going on, to be totally honest with you.
Follow Benelli Phil.
Yeah, but I think Benelli Phil is going there.
One of them was really happy to see us. He was like, oh, he gave me a proper hug and a pat.
Really?
He said something to me and I was like, thanks, no idea.
Let's do it. Let's roll, baby. So now what's happening is we're going to, I gotta try and remember his name, the dude up in front there. We're going to his house. I think we're going to his house, to his museum. I think he's probably got like a bit of a collection of Honda monkey bike regalia, I guess. We'll find out in a minute. Christ.
That's what I did when I turned down.
I'm going to touch it. It's all kicking off here. Kicking off, Alan.
It's only because you turned up, they were licking me a minute ago. If I said a little bit of food came out, I'd be lying.
How many's in there? Oh, there's another one over there. It looks all friendly, but you go to pet it on the head, and it wants to rip your arm off.
Are they friendly?
No.
They're not.
Well, don't know. Stroke it. There you go. Stroke it.
I think that's friendly.
Yeah, it's friendly. Look at him. He wants you to touch him.
You can touch.
Yeah, touch him.
Friendly.
Touch him on the head. Yeah. See? Just wants a bit of affection. There you go. Getting a taste of you, and then he'll take your arm off. You're getting knighted.
Portuguese knighted by the president.
The president of Portugal.
Thank you.
Obrigado.
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 Vê se serve esse. Acho que serve.
Look at this.
Serve. Quando é de boa vontade.
Não, eu não consigo traduzir isso.
It fits.
Perfeito. Acho que tens.
It fits.
It fits.
Um bocadinho apertado, não? Está um bocado apertado.
Look at all the gear in here, man.
Is that for you?
Yeah. Good, isn't it?
The helmet you would have, isn't it?
Wow, he's been collecting this stuff for a minute or two, hasn't he?
On your pastime,
Miniature versions of monkey.
Hey,
Mas é
dude,
seu. Ofereço.
is that a cock on a bike?
Fica
It's a
recordação.
cock on a bike.
That's a cock on a bike.
And there's something else next to it as well.
I'm not sure what that is. On the Lambretta, you mean? No, don't say anything else. Don't say anything else.
It's the same.
Don't say anything. Shut up. Look at all these little,
It's very good, but
look at all these little pin badges and stuff.
have you seen the blue tiles? You know, like I mentioned blue, but they're not blue. But you know, some
Yeah.
Oh, Portugal.
Wow, he's been collecting this stuff all his life, I should think.
I like the gold wing as well. The gold wing's cool.
I did see that, but I didn't mention it on purpose.
I mentioned it. Alright.
Yeah. Oh look, he's got model kits.
Agora já
Look at this, look.
Yeah, these are all the meats.
Oh well, that's all their meats.
That's cool,
podes
man.
ver agora, pronto.
Wow.
Filho.
Got some stuff, mine, doesn't he?
Loads more down here. I didn't see it. Must have spent a fortune in cabinets.
Yeah. Fair play. I told you he was passionate about it all, didn't I? Didn't it? Told you. Oh look, what are they called?
Meu, vou buscar o meu.
What are they called? Alex? What are they called? Not Messersmiths. No, not Cessnas.
Smile? Something Smile. Mesh? No, it's not mesh.
Arbaza. What are these called? Cessna, not Cessna. What are they called?
Vamos todos vestir, anda lá.
Is it Zeta?
Is it a wank?
Ah, não, então.
No, it's not a wankle. There's no need for that.
Wankle goes in
He has to come round and lower the tone, doesn't he?
It's an engine, a wankle.
No, wankle is a rotary engine.
Todos só.
Look at all these helmets.
Ei,
Hope you guys can see all this. It's a bit dark.
I'll get my light on a minute.
Yeah, get your light out. They're Honda dudes.
Thank you.
Look at it all.
Lots.
Oh, Izetta. Izetta, yeah, I think it is.
verão. Assim, quando tem.
Oh, yeah.
There might
Think
be
my
some
bike.
other stuff there.
He's monkey obsessed.
Yeah, like Dragon Ball.
He's monkey obsessed.
Oh yeah. Japanese.
Oh, look, see, he's monkey obsessed. I want to know when this obsession started. I reckon it started. I think he needs therapy. I think this started when he was a small child. Ask him how long he's been. Ask him how long he's been collecting. Ask him how long he's been collecting.
Quanto tempo?
Isto há 45 anos.
45 years.
45 years.
Oh, look, it goes out there.
He doesn't have.
Is it not?
This is the beginning.
It doesn't end.
It doesn't end. Oh, can we go in there?
I know, it's your...
Can we go?
ok, vamos.
Follow me, follow
Let's
me.
go into the inner sanctum.
Last time an elderly person told me that.
No,
I had to suppress my memories last time.
dude.
It doesn't end.
Esta moto diz lá que foi o meu pai
Put some lumens on it,
ofereceu
Alex.
em 1973.
1973 is
Está
that
ali,
Timmy's
está ali, a
motorcycle, which is
fotografia.
still on it.
Tem ali.
No way.
That's where it started, I guess.
Este capacete tem 48 anos.
48-year-old.
Bela.
I bet you're loving that, aren't you?
That is a bit of me. I'd have
That
that
you're
right
getting
now,
erect
yeah.
right now, aren't
I
you?
would almost swap it, but I love my one too much.
Ele gosta
Dude.
Yeah, I like that.
Ele gosta dos belts.
And that.
Amazing, isn't
Is that okay?
Oh yeah, look at that.
little beauty.
Look at that little pup.
Oh, mate. Oh, look how tiny.
What the?
Oh, it's a
Oh yeah, yeah. I was gonna say.
the Asian style.
Let's get some lumens on it, Alex. This is mental.
Oh, mate, look at that. Whatever that is.
Oh yeah.
How'd you get all this?
He's been collecting it for 45 years. He's got a Lambretta fetish as well, look.
Sim, aquele capacete.
Is it Lambrettas?
Yeah.
No, Vespers. Vespers. Not Lambrettas, Vespa.
Não é lambreta, são vespas.
No Lambretta.
Ravioli.
Excuse me. Oh, I've got a Scalextric version of that.
I bet you have.
Yeah.
Can we go down? Can we go down? Where's he gone? Wait, where's he gone? Where's he gone? Can we carry on? Can we carry on? He's gone. He's gone. Look, he's gone.
Ok, vamos aqui mais.
Let's go. Let's have the full. Let's have the full tour here. Look at the pan.
Anda aqui catálogos. Oh yes, catálogos. Oh, yeah, oh.
Jesus
Christ. Catálogos com muitos anos. Oh.
What the hell? We've gone a bit Native American-y kind of deal or something.
Zayla vibes in here, mate.
Because Luis is the descendant of Mozambique.
What year is this from?
Catálogos de altura.
What year? What year is all this?
14 years.
14 years of catalogues.
Yes.
50 anos.
15 years
Na minha mão.
in this end.
No. Bloody hell!
Wow.
Look at that.
For many models.
Has he had that from new? That book? Has he had that booklet from
Yes,
new?
yes, from new.
Olha,
Yes,
não sei
yes.
Wow.
o que ele está a dizer.
Does he, the Honda Moto Compo, does he know that?
We got a hippie vibe going on in here. We got to let's sit down and smoke some crazy. Let's smoke some devil's lettuce.
Luca translates too.
Okay. Honda,
Because I speak a little.
Isn't it, Alec?
The Honda Moto Compo, the small motorbike that folds up.
Qual? A combo?
Yeah,
combo.
combo.
Tu tiveste alguma combo? Aquela que deita o guiador debaixo do banco?
Não, nunca.
Não.
This is mental. This is mental.
But
See, he's...
maybe have the catalog.
right.
Maybe.
This is insane. Yeah, this guy was, I think, born in Mozambique. I don't know if the battery ran out before we were saying, or the guys were telling us. That's why he's got this connection. But yeah, check this out as well. Hopefully you can see that. There's the pool. Living the dream, hey? Living the dream. And his missus is cool with this. This is obviously this must be the living room now. Little Peugeot there, look. This is nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the fact that it's my bike, 1340.
So that is your,
That's what he was saying, yeah, he was saying this is a woman, his wife,
yeah.
got gifted that for the first woman in Portugal to have a Harley.
No way.
Yeah, it's like I want to shake her hand or something. Like,
What? She given from who?
I don't know, he didn't say, but she got given it
Wow.
for being the first woman to have a Harley in Portugal.
How cool is
That
that?
is awesome.
So this must be his living room, mustn't
Yeah,
it?
this is his front room. I just want to hear the TV. I'm gutted. we can't
Yeah,
hear the TV.
yeah. Wanted to hear all the valves warming up. This is mental, isn't it?
Yeah, and like the static.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
It's the white option.
Wow, this is something worth seeing, isn't it? I mean, obviously not anybody's going to be invited into the guy's house. This is all because of, you know, the YouTube community, basically. It's madness, isn't it?
It's madness.
45 years of collecting all this stuff.
Moving would be a nightmare, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It's madness. I love it.
There she is. I take it. This is massive.
Oh yeah, well that's her. We met her, haven't we? She's out.
This
she's
is Portugal. Of course it is.
Yeah, she's outside.
It's her.
Lady.
Yeah, there she is. Yeah.
Uma história de todos. Há uma coisa muito importante. Ali são as bandeiras todas de.
We give it a hope.
Portanto, Picos da Europa, Nacional 2, Sal 123.
Brilliant. Is that your phone?
Yeah, it's
Plenty of events.
Brilliant.
Memorabilia.
Mistranslation there. We're not 13, 40. Higher as that.
Oh my god.
Oh man,
It's my
I love them.
sister,
Yeah.
Mexican
Daughter?
Son.
Pedro,
Son.
aqui deste lado, hein?
Ain't that the same as what was on Terminator?
There's loads more on that.
my
Uh,
son,
yeah.
my son.
I'm not sure.
É igual.
Yeah. Cool.
Ok.
Yeah, good. I like this as well.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's amazing. Good.
Oh look, that's his bike, but on tiles.
Oh yeah.
That's his GS. Somebody must have painted it for him
That's cool.
on tiles.
Paper shorting.
That's nuts, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, we're getting in the pool. Yeah, that's awesome.
Not hot. Wanna go? Skinny dip.
Wow.
That's cool.
We come back tomorrow.
Dizem motos subaquáticas.
No.
I was about to.
I'm not really sure what's going on now. I think Senior Lord Head is going to straddle the. Oh, okay. We're going for photos. Right,
I
okay.
need light. I need
Yeah,
light.
throw some lumens on it,
I need
Alex.
some lightage. Avoid them.
Não tem problema.
Yeah.
Problem.
Não tem problema.
That's better. Right. Say cheese.
Yeah, man.
Got it.
Superb. Right.
This bike
Superb.
was his. No, his father bought him that brand new in 1973, and he's had it ever since.
It's the first bike from Luis.
And Senior Lord Head, I think his dad owned one. Is that right?
Me?
Oh, you owned one.
Yeah. Right. Look at the camera. Yeah.
Oh, so you are getting a full on stood there right now.
Look at the camera.
He's getting a full on.
Which one?
He's fully erect right now. Yeah. Cool.
That. Smile. Got it.
Check that out. I've never seen Moto so old.
Francisco. Olha,
Unless
diz
it's
isto,
made
moto
to
do
look old.
presidente.
I don't think so.
This is
Francisco,
the real deal.
moto do presidente
Yeah, president's
e
motorcycle.
moto de Luís Barreiro.
And that's the diplomatic motorcycle is the yellow one, and that's his personal one.
Yeah. It's fastest.
Portanto, é que as amarelas são mais rápidas.
Show me my passport. Show me my passport. Oh no, you've changed it. Where's the sticker? Where's the sticker? Show me the sticker.
What you get black?
Okay, so this is our hotel room for ce soir.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir, mon chéri, bonsoir. What's the name?
Urano.
Yeah, urinal for midgets. Right, can't say that anymore. It's Le Pisser now. Right, let's have a look out the window. Let's have a look out the window. Let's have a look out the window. Yep, can't see a lot. Right, let's
Many souls have been lost in this bed.
yeah, I bet. Let's go. What's he on about? Women? What's he on about? we're just sat here chilling at this little calf bar affair in this nice sort of square. I'll show you a picture actually when we get in the hotel room. I'll show you a picture. Actually, I might have showed it you when I was handing the lady my passport and she found the sticker. That was awesome. But anyway, he's I don't really know what he's doing. Swiping.
54.
Swiping. What? 54. We'll gloss over that. Anyway, dude.
Yes.
What's the plan tomorrow?
So the plan tomorrow is, this is where I'll get.
Hang on a
probably
minute.
told
Hang on a
I'm
minute.
wrong
I've got
in a second.
hang on. There's a bit of an issue here.
Changing my time
Hang on.
numbers from 60 to 40. Subscribers, 42. Oh yeah, it's just
Thank you.
Oh yeah, no, the age of women.
So the plan tomorrow, I believe, is what we're going to do is we're going to check out the Portuguese vineyards, and we're going to go on a wine tour tasting different wines, and we're going to get a little bit trolleyed.
Wookie would have loved this.
It's going to be, and it's a lot stronger. So for us, we're used to about 12%, 13%. This is like 15 to 20. And it's all to do with the different grapes.
Is it like port?
It's between, for us it would be port, but for them it's just normal wine.
Oh right.
And it's got to do with the different grapes. So you've got like it's more green wine
Okay.
because of the strength of it. It's going to be amazing. And then we're going to ride after that because it's non-alcoholic, and we're going to watch Senior Lord Head go left and right and left and right.
You up for
down the
this?
road.
Non-alcoholic, up to 20% proof wine.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that.
It's going to be good. Did you hear that?
No, it's not
you
gonna
too
win me.
busy because you're young, dumb, full of cum.
full of it, and I want to expel the. Relieve myself.
You can say that. That is actually one of the things you can say on YouTube. Yeah, so that's okay. Expel the seed. Who's quite attractive? Oh yeah. Yeah. Did you hear what Alan was just saying?
Yeah, all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're going wine tasting.
Yeah.
He doesn't look so.
In a vineyard.
Oh, do you not? Oh, he's not a fan of wine.
But I'll still try it.
He'll still try
I'll
it.
take one for the team.
You've done that before, haven't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Yeah.
42.
42. Yeah. Okay, so that's tomorrow's plan. How many? Pedro, how many miles do you reckon we're going to do tomorrow?
Pablo now.
Yeah, we changing his name to Pablo.
Yeah, we've changed it to Pablo.
Isn't it Pablo Escobar?
It's fine. It's Pablo.
How many? Yeah, Pavlova. How many?
She's around 200.
She's not Fernando.
Okay, around.
We haven't
200.
made 200 today. But today, tomorrow we're gonna make.
We're
200.
close.
But today's day one. We've had a exciting adventure today. We've experienced things we haven't experienced before.
Experience Portuguese dynamics.
We've had a good crack. We've had a good laugh on the monkey bikes. We've met some like-minded guys that were into monkey bikes, and we've been to his house, as you'll see in the video. So that was all awesome. I mean, that's not the sort of thing you do every day. I mean, granted, we got special treatment because obviously we got a Lord with us. So that's what that's about. But I think today's been a success.
Yeah, it's been good.
It's been good. Alex, do you think today's been good?
Yeah, I've had quite a lot of fun.
Look at the state of it. I got to look after him.
What's wrong with me?
Right, in a bit then.
Where's my other beer, anyway?
Where's your other beer? Look at her.
Where's your other beer?
Where is my other beer?
Yeah, Jesus, it looks like. Oh, there's a bubble. There's two.
I wanted an artist. I'm going to share this with you guys as well. Bear with, you know what I'm like.
Lady artist.
Right, I had a vision once. I wanted an artist.
Honda Vision or
No. I wanted an artist to draw me a picture, or painting, or a picture, right, of the planet Earth. Right, you know, like you get a map. Bear with. You know, you get a map, and then you get like a square on it, and then it goes off, and it's like a zoom in of that bit of map.
yeah.
I wanted a picture. the planet.
Sorry.
Will you be quiet? I'm trying to do a piece to camera here. Look what I got to put up with. Look, this is.
And then we just got rid of them all.
Never mind all that.
Forever.
This is important. Right, you're listening, aren't you?
Oh, cheers. But yeah, I'm listening.
Right. Imagine there's a picture. It's the planet Earth and our entire solar system.
Yeah.
So you got the moon and all the stars and all the other planets and all that crap, right? Well, the zoom in of it is
Honda Vision.
there's like the Grim Reaper sat in a cave with a book open on this like old sort of stone desk.
Right.
On his desk is a vessel,
Honda Vision.
right? With a drink in it, right?
Right.
It's got some bubbles coming up,
Yeah.
right? Well, that planet Earth bit is one of the bubbles in the drink.
Oh, I get ya.
So when that, in our time, it's millions of years, but in this person, in his time, it's a few seconds of that bubble coming up in the glass. By the time it gets up here, poof, that's it, it's all over. Do you see what I'm saying?
Universe.
Yeah, so all our entire solar system is just bubbles in this person's glass coming to the top. Millions of years in our time, but in his time, boom, bang, gone.
Where's Honda Vision?
Look what I'm dealing with here. I was trying to explain something.
The Vision is holding the
I
beer.
just,
It's not Honda Vision.
I wanted an artist to draw that for me, but it's all wasted on this bunch of. What are you a bunch of?
The beer is on the Honda Vision, isn't it?
Right, you see what I'm dealing with, guys. It's a complete waste of time now. Love you all. I love you all. I know you're listening. You're listening to me, aren't you? You're listening.
I love you.
In the bubbles. Look, in the bubbles. Oh, that one's flat. Come here, look, in the bubbles.
Honda Vision at the top.
He's obsessed. Love you. Lord and Senior Lord Head are retiring. So
Mons 2 Rodney.
Mons 2 Rodney.
Mons 2 Rodney.
Mons 2 Rodney. We'll see you demain.
Need peas, thanks.
Do we have a
French.
time for breakfast?
Oh,
Arrival time for breakfast will be
7:30.
7:30.
Really 7:30, seriously.
What do you mean seriously? There's no need for that kind of language.
Do you know what 7:30 is?
leg.
Night night.
Like 50 meters to the hotel should be good. Oh my Jesus.
Hello.
Let's
Hello. That's right, I'm a lesbian. Oh, I ain't got my lesbian t-shirt on. Yeah, I have.
Lesbians are selfish.
I did convert a lesbian at a wedding, but that's not a story for YouTube.
I've done the opposite.
What, you turned a man straight?
A girl.
We've BC now.
Cut, censored, cut.
We off away?
Yeah, let's
go then.
suppose you get ready to go then. What's happened? What's happened? We're trying to have a conversation here in Esperanto, and this guy here is jerking off up and down, trying to keep your noise down. God damn it! Yeah, listen to this. Look at the noise going on here. Come on, give us a 2. Come on, give us a 2. Oh man.
Keyboard to French.
We're now, Alex is now changing his keyboard to French instead of the QWERTY keyboard. What's it called again? A ZERTY, isn't it? Yeah, my dad had it. Yeah, it was a right pain in the sphincter.
Good luck. Just type normally. Don't look at them.
A
Close your eyes
ZERTY,
and
yeah.
You can probably type it with your eyes closed.
Any good?
Well, it's better than my normal spelling.
Hello, my name is
You looked at it for
Wanker.
too long. Type it without looking.
A minute. Right,
He's
hang on a
learned
minute.
something about his phone.
Just point to the letters you want to
Right,
go one
so-
by one.
Go on
So
that.
let's say I'm
Go
gonna.
on, just go on anyone. Don't matter
what
who
do
it is.
Swipe between the letters you want
Go on anyone.
without lifting off.
Right, swipe between the letters.
Just swipe. Just hold your finger and swipe.
So if I'm gonna put cock,
Yeah.
That might not work.
C O C.
You have swipe
yeah.
turned off. You have swipe turned off.
So if you wanted cock, you would go.
Swipe turned off. I've never.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
What?
Yeah.
Can you imagine
How?
you like typing
Never.
Oh, Volvo.
Let me put cock on your phone.
You use it
Hang
this
on.
way.
But it's not coming up on my phone.
Whose phone is this?
Right,
Yours?
let me turn the brightness down so it comes off on the camera a minute.
Hang on then. Right, let me give.
Coming up.
Is it not?
You guys want another pint? We are 10 minutes
Yeah,
off
go
of
on.
close, so we
Yeah,
might-
go on then.
Yeah, go on then.
Go on.
Right, hang on then. Right, C O C K. No way.
Imagine that, like fast
I'm gonna
swipe.
send it, whoever it is. I've sent
Oh, mate, that's the taxi driver.
I said it anyway. What taxi driver? Not the lady that picked us. No, not the lady that picked us up. No,
Yeah, it's the lady who picked us up.
no, it's not.
What other taxis have we got?
I'm pretty sure she won't reply.
She was really nice. Oh, you bellend.
What do you mean you bet? You bet.
It's your phone. Oh, she was really nice. She saved us £7. Some other English guys here, look. GS and a KTM 1290. All these pink monkeys and the Ashworth, as he calls it. And he's sat in a plant pot, smoking a doobie.
I wish.
Right, I'm done.
I'm just
You done?
I'm just a tour guide.
You're not just anything.
I
You're not just anything.
I'll see you in the morning, yeah?
All right, queers. Good morning.
Good morning. Morning.
Look at this. The guy's going for the waiter is going for the full porn set voice salesman technique. He's like, would you like some fruit? I will bring you the best eggs. I'll show you in a minute when he comes back. Knife, don't you? And just
Nah, just hit the top. Hit the top.
hit the top.
Hit the top.
What, with the spoon?
That's what I do. I'm a hitter. And then you scoop it.
That's not right.
Yeah, and then you scoop it.
Is that right?
That's how I do it.
It's very hot.
Well, sweet talking. We have some homemade orange cake and cream cake.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm all right for the moment, thank you. I'm trying to negotiate my way around a boiled egg.
You have salt and pepper also?
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Have some orange cake, please. Orange? Yeah.
Of course, you'll have some orange cake.
Of course. So, perfect, yeah. Trying to film it. Obrigado.
You are filming.